From the teacher app, you can create tests for your student. So for that, click on content and then click on create test. Now there are two kinds of tests that you can create with OMR test or just create a test. We'll first look at OMR test. So click on that and choose a subject. So just for an example, we are going to choose mathematics here. So click on that, then choose a chapter. We are going to choose profit and loss. Then we are going to enter the title of the test. Just for example, I'm typing here profit and loss. You can put any title that suits the test. Now you have to type in the total question number. So we are going to give 10 questions. 20 minutes is the maximum time. Then the maximum marks, we are going to give 15 here. This is just for an example. Then you have to specify the passing marks, and if there is any negative marking for the test, you have to also specify that, otherwise you can skip that. Then you have to upload the question file. So click on that, it will take you to your folder and then you can upload the question in form of PDF. Now uploading the solution file is completely optional. Here you can upload the solution file which will explain the answers for the question. This is optional, but please keep in mind that question file is mandatory. So specifying passing marks is also required. So here we are going to specify passing marks as 8. You can add whichever passing marks that suits your test. Then you have to click on submit answer and it will take you to the answer page. Now here, since this is an OMR test, you have to select the correct answer. So just for an example, we are going to select the options at random, but please keep in mind here you have to select the correct answers because based on this your students will be graded. So just select the correct option for each question, then click on create test. Now you have to select the correct batch. Here I'm just selecting a batch as an example, but please keep in mind that you have to select the batch for whom you're creating this particular test. Then click on create test and your test will be created. Now the student will be able to view this particular test from their student app by clicking on all test, then clicking on OMR test, and the student will be able to view all the details of the test. Once the student clicks on the particular test, the timer will start and the student will be able to give the test. Now please keep in mind that for the student to view the test, they need to be added to the batch.